Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and again I am come up with pork roast. So this is half kg pork roast. So I have taken it like a boneless, half kg of that, and I've kept some few fatty thing like this. So maximum it is boneless. So for marination, we have to keep this for 4 hours, or overnight also you can do. So add the salt, so 1.5 teaspoon, but depending upon your taste, salt to taste, more less. Then we are going to add this ginger garlic paste, around 2 teaspoon of this. And around 2 teaspoon of vinegar. So now we'll mix this nicely and we'll marinate it. And let it marinate for 4 hours, or as I have said you, overnight also will do. So now after 4 hours, we are here. So the meat is nicely marinated, and now the next procedure is here. So we need to fry 2 onions. You have to chop this way. Then we need around 3 Kashmiri chilies. Now if you don't have Kashmiri chilies, you can use any red chilies. So this is 3 Kashmiri chilies, and this is optional. If you have, then fine, Goan chilies. Then we need around 8 peppercorns. So 8 peppercorns, around like 1 stick of cinnamon, 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, any chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of little bit of garam masala, teaspoon small garam masala. Garam masala is optional again, but if you have, you can put this, or that's fine. So again I will repeat: 2 onions, 3 Kashmiri chilies, 2 chilies, this is optional, 8 peppercorns, cinnamon 1 stick, 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So this all now has to fry. So first step is to fry this 1, 2, 3 spices. I have taken this pan because to show you that how I am frying, and then later I will transfer it in a pressure cooker. So let's see. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 tablespoon of oil, and let's this masala go in this. So we need that aroma. So let it fry till we get the aroma. So I have even a video recipe on beef. It is somewhat same. So I will share the link. So they are nicely fried. Now we will add our onion to this. Now we'll add this dry masalas. And the chilies also with that whole. I am not breaking it because I am adding this dry masala also. And now we will add this marinated pork. Now you can cook this in this pan only, but it will take a long time because it is pork. So that's why I will be transferring this all in a pressure cooker. And then give around 6 whistles. 2 cups of water you have to add. High flame. That's my cooker. And transfer this all in this. So now in this only we will add 2 cups of water. Now if you have any pork stock with you, anytime when you cook pork, and if you have that, then you can use. So I am having some pork stock. You can use plain water. Okay. So 2 cups of plain water. So here it goes, 2 cups of plain water, big cups. And now I will close this and cook this for 6 whistles. Okay, so 6 whistles I need. Then I will show you the other procedure. So here it is now. So we will wait for 6 whistles, then let the cooker cool down, and then it will be the next. So till then we'll have to wait. So now here we have opened up, and you will get like this little bit of gravy inside. So what you have to do, see that if you wanted to dry it, completely dry it, or if you want this gravy, the caramelized gravy, then you can keep this. Okay, so now I will show you. So this is almost done. I'll put off the gas now. And it's hot. Now if you remember the start, we had fried the masala. So I'm using that same pan to fry this meat. So I will take out a chunk. I will just show you. So here it is. So like this only you cut all this. You can wait till it becomes little bit the steam goes. You can wait, but I am showing you. So how much thin you want, you can do. So this is done this way. Then I will take one more. Now this is with the fat. So this way. Here comes another one. So you can directly put it in a bread and you can have that way, or you can have with rice dal or plain, whichever way. So now here my pan is also ready. Now I will show you what I am doing now. So we need this chilies out of this. So I am taking this chilies out and I will put in this. And now you can break the chilies. And I will put this all in this. Okay, So now here it is. This gravy I'm going to use over here to nicely get saucy and juicy. How much you want, you can add this. And only cook for few minutes till it gets nice coat with this gravy and it's done. So this is my pork roast. Hope you will enjoy and thank you so much. So this is it. Now the gas is off and I will serve it however, like bread, or maybe you can have it with bread, rice, whichever way you want to have. Thank you.